Hello, it's great to see you once again. Welcome to day 3 of our blogging crash course. I hope you've been practicing and you've been finding things interesting. Day 1 and day 2, I hope you've gone through them and you have no questions. If you have, don't hesitate to shoot me an email and I'll respond ASAP. Today, being day 3, we're going to continue with what we've been doing in day 1 and then day 2. Today, we're going to create our contact us page, and then we will create our first blog post, and then we will do some customization on our blog. Okay, so without much ado, let me quickly jump onto my computer and then let's start whatever we are going to do today. So without much ado, let's zoom in.
So in all pages, you click on Contact Us. In order to create our Contact Us form, we need to install a plugin called Contact Form 7. Okay, and I'm going to take you through how to install the plugin and then activate it on our Contact Us page. So to install the plugin, we go to Plugins. On our plugin page, click on Add New. When you go to add new plugin, you search for the plugin that we want to install. So the plugin we want to install is Contact Form 7. So wait for it to pop up and then we install it. Alright, so this is the plugin that we want to install for our Contact Us page. So we click on Activate. Once the Contact Us plugin is installed and activated, you'll see it among your activated plugins. So let's go into and also see it among the items in the menu over here. So we have our contacts over here because we've installed our contact plugin. So let's go into the contact plugin and then let's go and copy a short code that we will use on our Contact Us page. So we copied this short code and then we go back to our Contact Us page. So we go to Pages, All Pages. Then on All Pages, we go into our Contact Us page. On our Contact Us page, we paste the short code that we copied over here. And then click on Update. So now let's go to our Contact Us page. And then we will refresh it and then see how it looks like. Yeah, and there we have it. Our Contact Us form has been created. So in case we want to just add some message over here before the Contact Us form displays, let's go into the Contact Us page and then do that. So we go down here and then we type a dummy message over here. Fill the form below to get in touch with me. And then we click on Update. So now let's go to our Contact Us page and refresh and see how it looks now. And there we have it, our message displaying over here. Right. So our Contact Us form has been created. So now let's go ahead and then create our first blog post. Okay. To create our blog post, we go to Posts. So we are on our post page. Okay, know the difference between a post and then a page. A page is a section of a whole website. Okay, and then the posts are articles within a blog page. Okay, so know the difference between a page and then a post. So to create a post, you click on Add New, and then we enter the title of our first post. So I will name this How to blog for money. (101). And then let me go and copy a dummy text and I come and paste it in here. So just let me copy this dummy text and then paste it in here. And then we click on publish. So let's go to our blog page to go and see how our post looks like. Click on the blog. So this is how our first blog looks like. Right. So let's go and create another blog post, and then this time we will add a picture to the blog post. So let's go back to our blog post, then click on add new. Let's title our blog post how to make income online. Then we go and copy the same text and then use it. And I paste it in here. So if you want to add a picture to your post, you come down here and then you select featured image. To select featured image, then you go and browse the image that you want to use as your featured image for your post. So I'm going to look for an image that I have that I can use for this post. Check if I have some images that can be used. Okay, so let me upload this particular image. So once your image is uploaded, you select it, and then always don't forget to enter a text for your alt text. Okay, it's a form of optimizing your blog post for search engine optimization. Okay, so let's enter a dummy alt text here. So name it making money online. And then you click on set featured image. Then we click on publish. So let's go to our blog page to see how our blog looks like. So our featured image is not showing. Let's go back and go and check whether it was actually uploaded. So go back to featured image. And click on set featured image. So let's select our image again and then click on set featured image. I don't know why our featured image is not showing over here. I will need to do some troubleshooting to find out, but I don't want to bore you with my troubleshooting. It's going to drag this video. So I will go ahead and then we'll do something else, and then in our subsequent videos, I'll show you what was causing it and then how I got it resolved, right? So let's go back to our blog and then let's click on the first blog post and then see the detail page, how it looks like. Okay. So let's scroll down. And then we have a decent blog page. So beneath here, you have the comment box where people can read your blog post and then they can leave their comments, right? Well, let's do something interesting last to wrap up with today's lesson, okay? So we're going to, you see the way the blog titles are listed over here, that does not present your site in a very nice way. So we're going to install another plugin that will present the recent post in a very nice way. Okay, so let's go back to our admin area and then go and click on plugins, and then add new. So the plugin that we are going to install is called recent post widget, widgets. Okay, I've already copied it, so let me just paste the name over here. So it's called recent post widget extended. That's the name of the plugin that we are going to install. That will take care of the look and feel of our recent post on the sidebar. Okay. This is a widget, so we click on install now. Once it's installed, then you click on activate. So with our plugin activated, installed and then activated, we now need to go and make use of it. So we go to appearance and then you click on widgets. So on our widget page, we can see the plugin that we installed over here. So this is a plugin that we installed. So we're now going to take off what we currently have on our sidebar, which is this. So everything that shows on the sidebar is seen over here. So let's go to our page and then I'll show you this. So everything that you see over here on the sidebar is what is put over here. Okay, if you want to remove something from the sidebar, you come to the sidebar section over here and then you click on it and then you click on delete. So now our listed recent blog post has been deleted. We're going to replace it with the plugin we installed, which is this. So you click on it and then you drag it to the sidebar section of it. So we move it up and then we put it over here. There are lots of customization that you can do with this plugin. Okay, you can change the title of that section of this. So this is what I mean. You can change this particular title. You can change this title from recent post to whatever that you want over here. Okay, and you can play with the number of posts that should show and all that. For now, we are going to leave all that as it is, as default, and then we click on done. Once you click on done, let's go back to our blog page and then refresh and then see how it looks. All right, there we have it. So you see, this looks more presentable, more nice than what we were previously having of just listing of the blog titles, which wasn't that presentable. So these are some ways that you can customize your blog to look very nice. So if we have uploaded images for our blog post, we'd have seen the thumbnail of the images also shown over here. Very presentable. Okay. Well, this all time will permit us for day 3 lesson, and I hope it has been interesting. If you have any question, like I always say, send me an email or send me a quick message on my blog, victoraggor.com, and I'll respond as soon as possible. See you in day 4 video, and thank you once again for being part of this course. Bye.